Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Justine.
Hello.
You guys know Justine. She's amazing. She's awesome. We've made bazillion videos together.
That's how many we've made.
That's a new number. That's a real number.
It is.
Yes, I'm gonna be putting all of her links down below, so go check her out, subscribe, show her some love. And today, I got so many requests from you guys to do an old school challenge video. So today, we are gonna be doing the coffee challenge. And that's why I invited Justine over, because she loves coffee just the same amount as I love coffee. We're coffee lovers.
And I'm really in need of some coffee right now. I actually have not had any coffee yet today.
I've only had 2 cups.
Oh.
So for me, that's very little.
Yeah.
I got us these really cute masks. We kind of look like a little squishy alien or something. So we won't be able to see what kind of coffee we're tasting. We're gonna test 6 different kinds of coffee and try to guess where they came from. My sister went out and got all of these, and then Mike is also keeping them hidden from me. He put like towels and blankets over. He didn't let me see. It's over in the kitchen over here. I can see towels.
No looking.
So are these chains then?
That's what they said.
Okay.
They said that they're chains. I'm hoping
And they're just black coffees.
And there's what?
Oh,
Black.
just black coffees. So that's gonna be interesting because I feel like you usually get like a chai or something. I almost always get just straight black coffee, like nothing.
I don't know if I'm gonna get any of these right.
Okay, I'm excited about this.
Are you ready?
Oh, yes.
Okay, let's test our coffee tasting abilities.
Taste buds.
Let
coffee.
the challenge begin.
Now.
Where else do people go to get coffee if not at Starbucks?
I don't know.
Just-
I mean, okay, so
Is it at every store?
My top 3 chains are Starbucks, Coffee Bean, and Pete's Coffee.
Coffee Bean.
Yeah.
What's this? Ooh!
Okay.
We've got a-
this lid has a feeling.
This coffee place gives you a little sleeve so you don't burn yourself. Oh, a stopper so you don't spill.
I was hoping that I could identify what type of stopper that was from, but really I've only got them at Starbucks, and this doesn't feel like a Starbucks stopper.
No, it's not. The stopper is short.
It has like a little thing on top of it.
Oh, it has a design?
Like a little circle. What is
Oh my gosh, I wish I could feel what this design is. I can't. I'm trying to feel the logo.
I'm imprinting it in my brain. Should we just try the coffee?
Okay.
I forgot about that. Okay, where's the hole?
Let's see. We gotta find the
is.
hole. Oh,
Found
there
it?
it is, there it is,
Okay.
there it is. Okay, here we go.
Oh.
Not Starbucks. I don't know. I can't identify the roast.
I just had a feeling. So, I had a feeling of this taste, and it put me on the Santa Monica Pier.
What?
I shoot there all the time. And
Yes.
usually it's like cold, and they have a coffee bean. So I don't know if this is. But
Oh
like,
my gosh, are you getting sense memory right now?
It was so weird. Like I felt my body be transported. I mean, maybe just because a lot of black coffee tastes the freaking same, but.
Justine, you are so like in tune with yourself. I think you're having sense memory right now.
It is so weird.
So is that your guess? You think this is
yeah.
coffee bean? Where'd my stopper go?
Well, here's mine. If you want
Honestly,
I've
okay,
been
is that your
transported.
Oh, I found it.
I'm in Santa Monica right now. I don't know where you are.
I'm gonna guess a grocery store.
A grocery store?
Yeah.
What grocery store has coffee?
Oh. I think it's probably Whole Foods. It's feeling kind of earthy, has some other flavors in there.
Don't want to say that that's a bad guess, but like I think it might be a bad guess.
You don't think Whole Foods has these plastic stoppers?
You're right.
Oh, you know what? Because for straws, they have those big paper ones,
Yep.
you know now? So I don't think they would have plastic
I just
stoppers.
don't feel like your sister would have.
You're right.
Went
You're
to Whole
right.
Foods. I don't
You're
know why.
right.
I just feel
She
like
went to Vaughn's. Let's be honest.
which would have been Starbucks
Or Ralph's.
Ralph's also Starbucks.
Really?
Yes, they're all in there.
She probably went to Target. That's also
They also have
Starbucks.
Starbucks. I just don't think you should guess Whole Foods. I just don't want you to be
Okay.
like wrong right off the bat.
You know
Although
what
if
it is? You know what it is?
If she
Tully's. Tully's.
Okay. If this is Whole Foods coffee, like we have to give her the point.
Can I get a half
And
point?
I will get a negative.
But
What is your guess?
My official guess is Tully's coffee. Okay, what's your official guess?
I mean, it's
It
definitely
is
coffee
coffee bean.
because I'm still
Because you're
sitting
having
on-
Santa Monica
yeah.
memories. Okay, you ready? Take off your blindfolds. 1, 2, 3, let's see.
Oh my God! I'm in freaking Santa Monica!
Justine, you were right.
This was honestly, like, I can't even explain to you, like, I've never had this happen before, but it was the weirdest feeling. Like, I felt my whole body just float away,
You were there.
Wake up on the freaking pier. I'm freaked out right now.
This is my first memory of coffee bean coffee. Right here and now, so the next time I smell this, I'm gonna remember you and I wearing alien fuzzies, taste testing coffee. All right, so that is officially a point for Justine. Ding, give her that point. Now, Justine, are you ready for the second coffee?
I don't know if I am.
All right, here's coffee number 2. We're in a nice paper cup.
Oh my God.
We've got a lid.
I think I know what this is.
Oh, this lid is closable. Look at that.
This is very specific.
This is fast food. This is some type of fast food because these lids are the ones where you're in and out. I've
already got my guess.
Does In-N-Out have coffee? Oh wait, I haven't tasted it. Have you tasted it?
Yeah,
I'm just playing with the lid.
I don't want to sway you.
Not very bitter. I don't think this is from a coffee place. I think people who like this coffee don't like real thick coffee. Coffee for beginners. This has to be a fast food coffee of some sort. It's not bad, it's really good. I could drink 10 of these. This bean is basic.
I think that this coffee, it tastes a lot like Folgers coffee, like the basic coffee.
It's a basic bean.
But that same Folgers coffee taste is what I always taste when I go to Dunkin' Donuts. I don't know, but
you're right.
I think that Dunkin' Donuts repackages Folgers coffee or whoever makes that. Because
they make a basic bean.
They've got a very specific taste. So when you were saying basic bean, I was like, all right, I gotta tell you
Dunkin' Donuts. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go for the same as you because I think it's the basic bean. Dunkin' Donuts. We're both guessing Dunkin' Donuts. Let's take them off. Let's see.
Goodness.
What is it?
It's freaking Dunkin' Donuts.
It's Dunkin'!
I slept outside for over 16 hours for one of the first Dunkin' Donuts that opened in Los Angeles. Yeah, it was a long time. I made a video about it. It was quite funny. We were on the news. We were on the freaking morning news. Yeah.
And you were just camping?
We camped. That was my first camp. It went well. I made a lot of friends. There's actually some people that I still follow on Instagram now that I made in line. Like friends.
Are you kidding me?
It's crazy.
That's adorable.
Crazy.
That's like the kind of neighborhood and community I want.
You need to go sleep outside more often in front of grand openings of things. You find your tribe.
Justine is doing amazing so far. Let's go on to our next cup. We've got another one of these feeling lids. Justine, look at this.
What? I can't see it.
Come here, feel this, feel this. Ready?
Oh my God, I think I know what this is too.
That's fast food. That's fast food.
It is fast food.
Because whenever they do that, like the Dunkin' Donuts one, they're the inexpensive lids.
Yeah.
Where are you from? Where's the hole? Does it have a sleeve? What's this thing at the bottom? The whole thing is a sleeve, and then the bottom isn't. Is this open? Yep.
This is weird, because I thought this was gonna be really difficult. I mean, I don't know if this is what I think it is.
Where would this come from? This would come from In-N-Out, Jack in the Box. No, not In-N-Out. Okay, I'm gonna say In-N-Out. I'm just gonna go for In-N-Out. I don't think it's In-N-Out. No, okay, I'm changing my Jack in the Box. Ready, set, say it out loud together, ready, set, go, Jack in the Box.
Only because when you punch this in, like that's like a McDonald's lid.
Okay, let's see. Oh my God, Justine! Justine is on a roll, you guys. She is incredible.
I'm silently trying to encourage you not to say the things that you're saying.
And I should have known they have an M logo engraved on the top, which I didn't feel. The whole cup is a hot sleeve, and I think, didn't they get a lawsuit about the hot sleeve or something? So now it says here, caution, I'm hot.
You should wear
this.
Hi,
I'm a hot coffee. Hi, I'm a hot coffee. Caution, I'm hot. This is really hard to do guessing black coffee because you're just guessing the bean.
Yeah.
And the cup. Ding, that is a point for Justine. Now we're on to our next cup. We're halfway there. We've tasted 3, we have 3 more to go. Justine's got 3 points. She's 3 for 3, and I've got 1 point. And really, I'm just playing a game with myself too. Yeah. Is as soon as there's a Starbucks in front of me, just yelling it, screaming it as fast as I can.
I'm down.
Kind of like Uno.
We are going to know.
Oh, we're gonna know. This is it!
This is what I know!
This is Starbucks. Feel
Look
that.
at this long stick! This is the definition of basic.
It has the long stopper and the little ball at the end. That's how you know it's Starbucks.
And this little piece of paper right here, when I get like nervous in meetings, I'm over here like ripping this thing to shreds. This is me. if this wasn't Starbucks, I mean it is, but like
There's no way, that's Starbucks. There's no way.
wow,
That's that bitter bean. That's
is like-
that bitter bean!
this doesn't taste like the Pike Place. This is like something
No,
else.
that's not
this
a
is like
Pike's
the
Place
super
roast.
dark.
Yeah, that's a bitter bean.
Woo!
Woo! Woo! Woo!
We out here! We out here! Here we are!
I am ready to like start a band right now. That is the good stuff. Are you ready to open our eyes?
I don't need to, but I will.
Okay, we'll do it just because. Boom! Okay.
Oh,
Starbucks. We both get a point. Ding ding. Thank you, Starbucks. On to our next cup.
let's go. Okay. What does this feel like?
All right.
Uh-oh. Oh
We've
my
got
gosh.
Fast food lid.
So
Fast food lid.
this is the
it
only thing
punches
that
in place.
I can think of is what you've been saying this whole time.
I'm gonna be so mad if this is a 7-Eleven coffee right
You
now.
can also say it's 7-Eleven.
This is also not 7-Eleven. They have them in those pump things.
I'm thinking so hard right now about this.
Oh my
feeling.
gosh, it's sweet.
Really?
This was meant to keep you awake.
What is this?
Yeah. This isn't a black coffee.
Is it the machine I was talking about before where it's like
It's a machine. It's because
yes.
it's just
Oh.
it's simple sugar.
vanilla cappuccino from one of those machines from like a gas station? What do you think it is?
This is gross. I don't like coffee like this. I don't like coffee this sweet.
I'll tell you, I mean, obviously for our bodies it's not good.
Ugh.
Man, on a road trip when you just pull into that gas station,
Yeah,
like,
it's
I love this.
great pickup. It's
Yes.
the caffeine, it's the sugar. I mean, this is like,
I mean,
oh my gosh. This is taking me back to like when I used to work on sets and just be there until like 3 in the morning.
Yeah.
And when you wrap, you wrap. And this was the kind of coffee we were drinking.
I would have never guessed this, and I feel bad even guessing it because it's what you've been saying this whole
You
time.
can say it. You can say it.
Did we say it together? Do you want to think about it a little more?
I think it's gas station-y. I think
Oh,
it's
definitely.
7-Eleven.
I mean, I just want to say 7-Eleven because that's what you've planted in my mind.
We are guessing that this is 7-Eleven coffee. Let's see. Oh my god! We're right. We're right. Oh my gosh, we're right.
Like, I've never had 7-Eleven coffee before, but like this same sort of concept is replicated throughout all types of gas stations. Like, it's that big machine with a bzzz. Have you ever tried it? Like, when you put the thing here, you fill it up to the top, but yet it overflows because it keeps going.
All right.
This is good.
Justine, ding ding, points for all of us. Now, are you ready for the last cup of coffee?
Yeah, I'm concerned because I can't think of anything else.
Try to think like Molly.
So,
Try to pretend you're Molly. No pressure, but Justine, you've gotten everyone right so far.
that's a lot of pressure. Very similar to the McDonald's cup.
Fast food lid, fill the
This has
bottom.
a point.
It's the
It's
same
all-
as McDonald's.
yeah, it is.
Where
It
the
is.
whole cup is a sleeve and then
Yeah.
the bottom isn't.
I have no idea what this is.
Okay, let me taste. Oh, it's spilled on me. It's very acidic. I don't like that.
And I don't think it's Wendy's because I've had Wendy's coffee before.
Tastes watered down. Fast food. What is it? What is it? Carl's Jr., Jack in the Box,
I don't
Arby's,
really
In
like
and Out.
this.
I'm trying to think like Molly. Where would Molly go? Molly would not go to Wendy's. She did not go to In and Out. I'll tell you that because I saw her.
Yeah.
She did not have an In and Out bag with her. She can't go to In and Out without getting some fries or something.
Yeah.
What do we have left? What do we have left? What's left? What's left?
I think I might just guess In and Out.
I'm gonna guess Carl's Jr.
Okay.
Molly likes Carl's
Does she?
Jr. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, guess.
Dun,
One,
dun, dun,
two,
dun, dun,
three. Carl's Jr.
Oh man.
What was yours?
Oh.
Blueberry, you don't get a vote.
Well, I guessed In and Out, and I've already taken my mask off.
What? So
And-
what is it? Jack in the Box.
I actually
No.
I have had theirs before.
Justine, this was your perfect streak.
I know it would have been.
I love Jack in the Box. I love a lot of stuff off their menu.
good.
I'm
Coffee.
coffee is
In it.
very, and I will say smooth and watery. Just goes down really easy.
Yeah, it's not good.
Oh
I need
my
to forget about
gosh.
this. But look at all these coffees we have.
Look at all of these.
So what
okay,
do you
let's
think
line them up.
your favorite was?
Oh, you already know.
Yeah, I already know.
Oh, you already know.
We
girl.
know,
You-
we know,
you
we know.
it.
So I'm gonna put mine in order of faves.
This is my Rockstar Red Bull. He comes in as a last resort.
Yeah.
This comes in when I'm on 0.
I just feel bad putting
But-
Dunkin' here.
I'm gonna put I'm sorry, Jack in the Box. I'm gonna put you at the end because you're really the last resort.
But I just really enjoyed these ones more.
Starbucks, Dunkin', Coffee Bean. I don't know though. This is hard, but definitely this one is last. That's my victory trumpet for you because a big I can't even talk. I've had so much caffeine. A big congratulations to Justine for winning the coffee challenge. She almost got a perfect score.
This
you guys,
was rough.
Blindfolded. Taste testing, black coffee, nothing to go on but the beans, the roast, and the cup. That is it. She's a pro coffee taste tester. I was very impressed.
Clearly of chain restaurants. A lot of road trips.
I didn't realize how many people make coffee.
Yeah, I mean, but this, I'm just so shocked at how bad this Jack in the Box one is. It says,
watery.
We turn normal people into morning people. No. But man, your breakfast is good, so you make up for it.
The breakfast is delicious, so thank you for that. Big thank you to Justine for doing this with me. We're both experiencing a little bit of jitters. We got some caffeine jitters right now, so please go show her some love. She was such a trooper. Go subscribe, go check out her channel. I'm putting her links down below. Show her all the love, because she's the best. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like to see us make. And don't forget to like this video, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. All right, bye-bye.
Bye. I feel so silly.
Me too. I just feel like this is like feels normal.
Should we do a live stream and just do this for 24 hours?
I feel like this feels good to me. I'm just like kind of like letting out the energy. Just let it out. Just let it out. If you want to watch more videos, there's some up here.
Some up here.
And there's some up there. And there's some here.